Happy Vlogmas day 22, I think. Miles thinks he's funny. Did you see what Miles said, Debbie? Got some more Christmas cards in the mail. And this one's hoping for a snow day tomorrow. So today might be the last day of school. Did you give your teacher the chocolate chips for your cocoa bar? Wonder if she'll do it today, because tomorrow.
She said if there's no school on Friday, we're gonna do it
when you come back.
Yeah, we come back.
Oh, okay. Well, cross your fingers, wear your pajamas inside out, and put the white crayon on the windowsill. Alright, it's time to get my wrapping station set up. Every year I wrap gifts down here. This is our hot mess area that I hope to have cleaned out before winter break, because I would love still for it to be a bathroom. So I don't think I've shown our basement yet this season, but husband works from there. We have a TV, pull-out couch, so we have plenty of room for guests. We have a little bar area back here that's a mess right now. I told hubby his winter break job should be wiping down all his bottles. But it's fun. There's a refrigerator, ice maker, blender, you know, all the things you can need. Popcorn machine. We redid this, I think it was winter of 2019. So anyway, my camera is going to die. So here is my wrapping station. This is a Alpha system from the Container Store. And I just have a bin here of bags. And then I usually pick one Christmas paper for Olivia, one for Carter. And this year I got a couple rolls of reversible paper. So I'll probably do Olivia's and these two, and Carter these two. And then I still love this one from Target, so I might do O's in that one. Or maybe we need some more red. Actually, I'm going to do O's in this one. We still have those. We still have some Harry Potter left over from before I knew the author was a jerk. Still have a cute little Santa snowman one. These I'm probably going to throw away this year because they're pretty cheap and hard to wrap with. And then these are our non-Christmas papers. Almost done here. Watching Christmas With You, I think it's called, on Netflix with Freddie Prinze Jr. It's pretty good. Got a little pile of presents over there. Okay, all finished. And this is what I have left of what I thought was too many boxes. And I used a lot of the tissue paper too. But I have a lot of the wrapping paper left. Alright, we'll talk in a second. But the gas station,
then you should go at Christmas.
not as crazy as it could be, but crazy. Hold on a minute. Okay, I pulled over because I have still like 25 minutes before I'm supposed to pick up Carter. Okay, the gas station was crazy, but not as crazy as it could have been. And so the guy pumping gas next to me told me that the gas station, he went in to pay like cash, I assume, for his gas, and the guy told him they were almost out of gas and they didn't even know if it would fill up his tank, so he would have to go back in and get the money back if it didn't get up to what he paid for. And then they said they ran out of gas twice this week already. So that with Olivia and I ran into Kroger last night, and the lines were all the way to the back wall almost of the store. At least for self-checkout. The other lines were a little bit shorter, but obviously people had more in their carts in those lines. But waiting to the last minute when Christmas is 2 days away and there's just no storm coming, not the best idea for anybody. And I hope that all of you have your gifts bought. I hope that you all, if you have school-age kids, you were able to get them wrapped already, because school is canceled for tomorrow. Officially, we just got the message. I originally was going to wrap gifts tomorrow, Friday, and now they're home. So I'm so glad I did that today. Olivia's got a game, which is why I'm picking Carter up early, and it is officially still on, according to the message we got about school being canceled tomorrow. All activities canceled tomorrow, but the games and athletics are on for tonight. So hopefully we get to see them with some wins tonight. After that, I don't know what we are going to do. I did stop by in the gas station to get some snacks. Carter is going to be ecstatic that I found the cranberry Sprite. He loves this, and I've only found it once about a month and a half ago, and I haven't found it since. And Speedway came in clutch. Got myself a nice big Smart Water. I got some chips and some beef jerky. Yeah, and with that, I'm gonna go get my boy. I follow this guy on Facebook, Snow Freaks. He has a Facebook group, but I also pay a couple bucks a month for his Patreon, and I'm gonna share this now because by the time you see this, the day will be over and it won't be a forecast for you. But just know that I pay for this service and I would not share it otherwise. With that said, he's usually pretty accurate, so we are kind of squarely in the blue. You got red north of us and all the way up, and then purple in the thumb. So his forecast is for us 1 to 3 inches. But he did say at the top that there is one model showing, what did he say? 5 to 9 plus inches for everyone. So 1 to 3 inches with pockets of 4 inches depending on ratios and how fast we see the changeover. But what a punch in the gut, because we were supposed to get 3 to 6 inches, which is now most of the rest of the state. Most of this falling by mid-morning tomorrow, and then scattered light showers from there on out. The winds really honestly is what I'm worried about. We do have a gas fireplace, but I'm not sure that it works when the electric is out, because you have to turn it on by a switch on the wall, so I'm not sure how that works. 25 to 35 miles an hour, 40 to 50 mile per hour gusts. Yeah, so temperatures will reach high by midnight tomorrow. Temps will be falling. I should be in the single digits, if not 0, in spots by tomorrow afternoon and evening. Brutally cold with wind chill, -10 to -20 tomorrow. Okay. Good thing my coat came in today that I bought. I bought a big winter coat. So, that's the forecast. Alright, let's get caught up on this tea advent calendar. And I'm actually going to have some tonight. I'm going to take it upstairs and put the fireplace on.
Are you going to come back downstairs?
Probably not. What is today? The 22nd? Okay.
23rd.
Today, it's the 23rd?
Yeah. Christmas is on
No,
Saturday.
tomorrow. No, Christmas is Sunday. Today's
Really?
so 25th.
Sunday.
Saturday's the 24th.
It's the 23rd.
20th. Yeah. So we got 20, 21, and 22. Well, this looks good. This one's called Sleigh Ride. And we'll read what they are in just a second. That was 20. 21 is hazelnut chocolate. That sounds good. 22 is Santa's Secret. Well, that has peppermint, little candy canes in it, so you know that's peppermint. We only have 2 days left, but lots of tea to drink. Okay, Santa's sleigh ride is apple, candied pineapple, hibiscus blossoms, candied papaya, beetroot, cinnamon, raisins, coconut rasps, roasted almonds, and popped rice. And then Santa's Secret is a black tea, peppermint with sprinkles, rice flour, palm kernel oil. Oh, I guess that's in the sprinkles. And natural and artificial vanilla flavoring. Hazelnut chocolate is pure tea, apple, cocoa peel, artificial chocolate, hazelnut flavoring, chocolate, brittle pieces, cocoa pieces, hazelnut, and stevia extract. Let me figure out which one I'm going to drink. No, we don't. Look at Carter's hot chocolate.
It's toasted marshmallow, so I added a ton of marshmallows.
Daddy, do you see that hot chocolate?
And there's even
your boy made?
marshmallows. There's even marshmallows at the bottom of the whipped cream.
Don't you waste it.
He's gonna eat every bit of it. You know he will. I actually decided to drink the Fireside Mocha from the other day. Looks delicious. This is the way to end your day. I've got the fireplace going. I've got the window open so I can see if it starts to snow. I've got my Fireside Mocha tea to try. I'm gonna put the heating pad on my shoulder and turn on a good TV show. Okay, this Fireside Mocha is really good. Tastes of chocolate.